Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today we are talking about ice dams and buildup of snow and ice on your roof. Now this is going to happen during extreme winter conditions, and we've got a lot of snow and we have a lot of ice, and I have an ice dam right behind me which we need to take care of. Now unfortunately, the real solution to an ice dam doesn't happen in the winter time. It's something that you do with your roofing contractor in the summer months. Proper insulation and gutter cables can be added to your home to prevent ice dams. And of course, you want to make sure that you have properly pitched and properly installed gutters and downspouts. And of course, you want to make sure those downspouts and gutters are clear of any debris, and you're cleaning them in the fall after the fall leaf season. Now, if you happen to have an ice dam within reach, and that means you can reach it safely without getting up on a ladder or getting up on a pitched roof, you can try to knock some of that snow and ice down with a broom or even a roof rake. You don't want to use any hard edge tools to knock off that snow and the ice, because that will do more harm than good. And of course, as I said before, if you can't easily and safely get to the ice dam, don't try to get up on a ladder because you'll hurt yourself. For this ice dam here, we're going to knock some of the snow and ice off with a broom, and then we're going to try to get some ice melter up to this area. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to create a pathway for any water that's trapped underneath that ice and snow to make its way to the gutter. During extreme winter weather, ice dams are a real problem. They can cause lots of damage to your home, and in most cases, it's pretty easy to help prevent them. As always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.